The welcome mat is a claymore, kid. You're either very good or very stupid.
The agency sent a get-well-soon card. They need their best pit bull back on his leash.
I'm retired. My only mission now is fighting crabgrass. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, my client stands before you, accused of saying, just 1 hour ago, that they would eat healthy this week.
I'm not escaping. I'm enjoying a balanced breakfast. Do you people not have hobbies?
You missed, Boris. The marmalade is the kill zone.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, my client stands before you, accused of saying, just 1 hour ago, Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, accused of saying,
Okay, the target is unattended. I'm moving in. What's my window?
You have 12 seconds before Chloe finishes her call. We cannot afford any mistakes. Be gentle with the oat milk.
Yes, I know. I'm still here. Don't you have a subtle mode?
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, my client stands before you, accused